Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the lambda expression and we have seen the syntax of writing the lambda expression. In this session, we will be writing some of the examples of lambda expression. What I'll do is, if I directly write the code in the code using the lambda expression, you'll confuse. What I'll do is, I'll be taking a regular Java method. What I'll do is, I'll convert that Java method into the equivalent lambda expression. Okay, let's write it. So example one. Example one. Okay. So let's say we have a method called display. That display method will be returning some uh, print statement actually. Okay. So here we have a display method which is printing the hello Java programmers is the statement it is printing it. Now what I'll do is I'll be converting this regular method into the equivalent lambda expression. Equivalent lambda expression. So as the definition we have discussed in the last session, lambda expression is an anonymous function which doesn't take any, which doesn't have any name, return type, and the access modifier. Okay. So if you see over here, the display method doesn't take any parameters. Okay. Let me convert this into the equivalent lambda expression. Let me convert this display method into the equivalent lambda expression. I'll be writing the parameters. Okay. I'll be writing the parameters. Here display method doesn't take any parameters, right? I'm not writing any parameters in it. I'm not declaring any parameters. Then I have to use a lambda expression symbol. So I have used a lambda expression symbol. Then inside this display method, we are printing the statement now. Here inside the lambda expression also, we are doing the same thing. Let me copy this system.println of hello Java programmers. Hello Java programmer. See how simple it is to convert the equivalent method, to convert the regular method into the equivalent lambda expression. Okay. Let's say, let's write one more method. Okay. Let's say we have a method called addition. Okay. Which is a void method, public void add of, it will be taking the two values int num1 comma int num2. Okay. And open the braces. Inside it, we are performing the operation, addition operation. Number one plus number two, and the result of this two will be storing into the result variable. That result variable we are storing into it. Now what I'll do is I'll be printing this result, and I'll be printing this result system dot out dot println result of two numbers, or addition of two numbers, addition of two numbers equals to, plus I'll be adding the result. So this is the regular method how I will be writing it. And now what I'll do is I'll be converting this regular method into the equivalent lambda expression. Now, as a definition, it's a lambda expression doesn't have any method name. It doesn't have any return type. It doesn't have any access modifier. Okay, what we will do? So now lambda expression will be taking the parameters. Here, the add method will be taking the two parameters, right? In the lambda expression also, equivalent lambda expression also will take two parameters, int num1 comma int num2. These are the two parameters that you will be taking it. After this, what you have to do is you have to write the lambda expression symbol. Then open the braces. Inside this, you need to write the same code which you have written over here. Copy and just paste it. See how simple it is. How simple it is. The first exam in the first example, we have taken a method which doesn't take any parameters. In the second example, we have taken a method which takes two parameters, and we have converted this method into the equivalent lambda expression. Likewise, you can write, you can practice it, and you can habituate with the lambda expressions. Okay. So I think that's all from this session. In the next session, we will be discussing the other topics. Until then, thank you for watching.